Ather Energy is a pioneer in India's electric vehicle revolution. It has been at the forefront of innovation with over 200 patents in India and 5 globally. Ather Energy has completely transformed the EV landscape in India by introducing the first ever intelligent electric scooter. As an industry leader in EVs and sustainability, Ather Energy took a bold step in 2022 to green their manufacturing process. The decision to shift from grid electricity to clean energy was a part of their mission to reduce Scope 2 emissions.
So we have a strong commitment towards sustainability. Apart from the vehicle we produce, which is of green, so we also wanted to adopt various sustainable practices in our throughout manufacturing operations. So one of the thing comes into to that way is actually, so why can't we adopt renewable energy sources, renewable energy options for our manufacturing operations? So that's where we thought of like going to solar would be a first step towards that journey. Then actually we started working on it. What should be the appropriate size for our manufacturing operations and what kind of a system to be put in. So we have done a certain working. So it's all kind of a theoretical working based on the various data captured from the market. But we realized that we need someone who is specialized in this market, specialized in this industry, has to come in and then to see the practicality of those calculations and suggest us the best model to go with.
But shifting to solar isn't simple. It requires expertise and a trusted partner to guide the journey. That's when Ather found SafEarth.
So we onboarded a SafEarth to help us to decide what exactly the system has to be put in and what kind of a model we can adopt to it. So they had a very good expertise in this field. They work various projects.
SafEarth, India's leading solar aggregator, specializes in making the switch to solar 100% hassle-free. With over 450 megawatt peak of solar enabled across 150 plus large-scale industries and commercial establishments, SafEarth has helped abate 600,000 tons of CO2 emissions.
At SafEarth, our philosophy has always been around quality over quantity, a principle that has contributed to our success from the day one. Today, we have 450 megawatt of projects across the country. It is distributed between 150 customers. Our collaboration with Ather Energy is so special because both our corporates share the same value, that is excellence and sustainability. From day one, Ather had a very clear vision about the solar project, from designing, engineering and commissioning. And these are the key areas that we are expertise. So this helped us to conclude this project very fast and able to deliver them the project on time. And we're also very proud to be part of this project.
For Ather's Hosur unit, the project began with optimizing the roof space for maximum energy generation. SafEarth's design team created a custom solar solution to meet Ather's energy goals.
We helped Ather find the best solar solution for their manufacturing facility. SafEarth's process starts from doing a detailed technical survey and till the commissioning of the project. In this process, SafEarth prepares a detailed technical report which entails all the technical and commercial aspects of the project. And once this is finalized, SafEarth selects 10 to 15 eligible partners to participate in a reverse auction for the project.
From planning to execution, SafEarth's meticulous approach ensured the project was completed seamlessly, achieving all objectives without compromise. Using a reverse auction method among 11 bidders and 75 bids, SafEarth identified the perfect vendor for the project at the best price. This approach ensured quality, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness. The solar project at Ather Energy delivers remarkable long-term benefits. Number 1. Annual energy cost savings averaging up to 20 lakhs per annum, sustained over 25 years. Number 2. A reduction in CO2 emissions, totaling nearly 220 metric tons per annum over 25 years. Through this solar project, Ather Energy has committed to long-term sustainability goals.
We as the manufacturer of electric two-wheelers, when it comes to electric two-wheelers, anyway, finally like why EV charging is happening through our grid electricity. But when we are thinking about the clean energy, it is always goes with solar or wind power or any other biomass kind of stuff. So when we as a company, when we want to adopt the sustainability trends and sustainability goals in our operations, we thought we want to, as a company, we want to integrate this solar energy also in our operation, especially in the manufacturing sector. And it is one of our sustainability goals as well. The project what we have taken here is the solar on-site rooftop, which helping two ways. One is for us, it's very important. One is the carbon reduction, that everybody are aligned with that. The management also is very much aligned with this goal to ensure that reducing carbon footprint around 20% in our manufacturing facilities through this solar project.
SafEarth is proud to partner with planet-first companies like Ather Energy, driving sustainable manufacturing. Together, we're committed to a cleaner tomorrow. Switch to solar the smart way.